Shan Saeed, you as an international economist, how does Pakistan's peace negotiations affect the world economy?
I think if I were to sum it up, I would say simply remarkable. And credit goes to Prime Minister Shahbaz Sharif and Field Marshal Asim Munir, the way they have worked throughout this in the last 40 days, and they have brought the two players together, Iran and US, and I think it has put Pakistan back into the global arena, and everybody is talking about and they're praising the diplomatic effort Pakistan has made in getting this ceasefire together. So I think congratulations to the government and the military leadership, the way they have taken this important global assignment and getting it done.
If the peace negotiations in Islamabad succeed, how will it impact the world economy and where should the investors keep their eye upon? Where should they invest?
A very good question, Zain. If you just recall 2 3 days ago, the way the markets have rallied, one of the very well-respected and famous economists, Atif Mia, has just posted that the global rally because of this ceasefire has gone up by $3 trillion. So this clearly indicates and it sends signals to the market that this ceasefire is a high stake game. The whole world is focused on Pakistan. The whole world is focused on Islamabad right now, and Pakistan has become the center of attention. I think it's a very pivotal role that Pakistan has taken in bringing the two parties together, and it clearly demonstrates that Pakistan is a peace loving, forward looking nation, and we don't want war in this region, and we want to have peace and harmony in this region. So it is good for the global economy and, of course, for the markets. And of course, it will bring the oil prices down, which will bring benefits for the Pakistan economy and the global economy.
You're currently residing in Kuala Lumpur. You appear on international media as a global commentator. How do you see the public pulse? How are international audience looking at Pakistan's efforts in this peace process?
Pakistan, the way the Pakistan has carried these talks, moving very closely with US, talking with the Iranian leadership. So overall, the sentiments in ASEAN is very, very positive. Everybody is talking very highly about Pakistan, about Pakistani's government leadership and the military leadership, the way they have tackled this very complex and very strategic task at hand.